Hello, my friends. Today we're gonna be doing a certain donut. It's more like a beignet, but it doesn't use yeast. It uses baking powder, and I thought many people they get a little bit anxious making the donuts because of the yeast. So this is a recipe that you can make it and cook it immediately after without waiting for rising, and it is absolutely delicious. Let's start. I have here 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of Greek yogurt with a teaspoon and a half extra on top of the 1 cup. I have 1 3/4 of a cup of flour plus 2 tablespoons. That is all-purpose flour. I have some vanilla to flavor, and I'm gonna also use a zest of a lemon for flavoring. For leavening, we have only the 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. So it's we don't even need a mixer. We just mix the egg with the sugar. As soon as that is mixed, we add the yogurt. Mix. Now I will put just about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon vanilla. I will also add my other flavoring, which is the lemon zest. Mix it. Now, at this point, I will add the baking powder into the flour, also the salt. Mix. Add it into the yogurt. We will also add the butter. It's soft, and press it down and lightly mix till it's combined. At this point, you can also use your mixer if you wish, but I think it's a small amount and it's easy to knead it by hand. Now, this bowl, I will put some flour on my board. Here. Just roll it a little bit. Now press it down. And with a rolling pin, okay, let it be thick a little bit, not too thin, about a 1/4 of an inch or so. That's the thickness that you want. I'm making sure that it's not stuck. Put flour to keep it from sticking. And now I'm gonna cut it. Just like that, and then into an angle. Now each diamond, I put a little slit in the middle. Now what you do, you take it, you open, and you make it into this shape. Put some flour here. Now when the oil is hot, you take your beignets and you just drop them in. I don't like to overcrowd my pan because I don't want the oil to get cold. This way I guarantee that my donuts or beignets are being cooked in the right temperature. Put your stove on medium high, because you don't want them to cook too fast. They're not going to be cooked completely inside. And that slit in the middle, it promotes even cooking for the dough, and it gives a nice shape too. Here are our beignets. They are all ready, and now we dust a little bit of powdered sugar. You can also drizzle a little honey. You can also flavor it with cinnamon inside in the dough. You can put a little cinnamon or a little nutmeg, anise seeds. I have tried it in multiple flavors and they are delicious. This is one of my son's favorites. He likes it with the lemon zest, and actually he squeezes a little bit of lemon on each and drizzles a little honey, and it is so good. Try it. You're gonna love it. It takes less than half an hour from starting to eating. Try it and enjoy.